Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to split an expense across multiple accounts in QuickBook. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first step is to open the expense. So go to expenses in your QuickBook dashboard and select the transaction that you want to split. Step 2 is going to be to enable the split option. So click the split button. You can usually find that next to the category field. This is going to open up multiple category lines. Step 3 is to assign categories and amounts. So for each line, you're going to choose the correct account category and then enter the corresponding portion of the expense. The total should match the original expense amount. You got to make sure that that matches. Step 4 is to add descriptions. You can briefly note what each portion of the split is for, so reporting stays clear. Step 5 is to save the transaction. Click Save and Close, or you can click Save and New. QuickBooks will now record the expense on the multiple accounts. A pro tip is splitting expenses is pretty useful when a single purchase covers different departments or cost type. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. That's all I got for you for today. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.